eSATA. The External Serial Advanced Technology Attachment, widely known as eSATA, is a specialized interface designed to bring the high-speed data transfer rates of internal hard drives directly to external storage devices. Before the widespread adoption of high-speed USB 3.0, users who needed to transfer massive files to external backup drives were severely bottlenecked by slow USB 2.0 speeds. Engineers solved this problem by routing the internal SATA data bus directly to the outside of the computer case, creating a blazing fast external connection. The physical connector design. While it uses the exact same data protocol as the internal storage cables we just discussed, the physical plug is designed differently to survive the wear and tear of the outside world. An internal SATA cable has an L-shaped key and is quite fragile, but an eSATA connector is a straight, flat rectangle without that L-shaped notch. It also features built-in metal retaining springs on the top and bottom to ensure the cable locks firmly into the port, preventing data corruption if the cable is accidentally bumped while a file is transferring. The power limitation and troubleshooting. The biggest drawback of standard eSATA, and the main reason a hardware technician must understand how it works, is that the original standard only carries data. It provides absolutely zero electrical power. If you plug a standard USB drive into a computer, it instantly turns on because the USB standard carries both data signals and 5-volt power on the same cable. However, if you plug a hard drive into an eSATA port, the drive will not spin up or be recognized by the computer unless you also plug that external enclosure into a separate wall outlet using its own dedicated power adapter. To fix this frustrating limitation, some later motherboards and laptops introduced a hybrid port called eSATA-P, which physically combined a USB port and an eSATA port into one socket. This clever hybrid allowed users to plug in a special combination cable that pulled data from the eSATA pins and electricity from the USB pins, powering the drive without needing a bulky wall adapter. Speed and modern relevance. Because it connects directly to the motherboard storage controller without any translation chips in the middle, an eSATA drive operates at the exact same native speed as an internal drive, reaching up to 6 gigabits per second on Generation 3 ports. This made it the absolute favorite connection for professional video editors and server administrators who needed to clone terabytes of data quickly without opening the computer chassis. While modern interfaces like Thunderbolt and USB Type-C have largely replaced it in consumer electronics, technicians will still frequently encounter these distinctive rectangular ports on older external hard drive bays, network-attached storage devices, and legacy enterprise backup systems.